Hey guys, welcome to the Samsung tutorial. Here you will learn how to edit dates on photo in Samsung. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone and you want to edit the date your photo was taken, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to edit date on photo in Samsung, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the photo whose date you want to edit. First, let me show you the current date. Click on the information icon and then you're going to see that this photo was taken on the 23rd of July 2024. Now to edit the photo, this is basically what you need to do. Go ahead, click on the information icon on the photo, then click on the edit button here. Once you selected the edit button, you're going to see the photos detail, including the photos, dates, and then name. Then go ahead and click on the date like this. Then once you click on the date, you see the date pops. Then this is the date of the photo. Now to edit this date, just scroll to where you want to set the date. So let's say 2025, then it's September 2025, then let's say the day is 7, then month is September, and then the year. Then once you're done, come here and click on done to change the time. Click on time, and then change when you want to change the time to. So let me use 11:30 a.m. So like this. Then go ahead and click on done. Once you click on the done button, you see the name changed here. Then go ahead and click on save. Then hang on. And then you should see on the information page, the date is now changed to 7th September 2025. So you can do this on all your photos to change or edit the photos date. So that is basically how to edit date on photo in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.